Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of advanced mobility as we explore the groundbreaking creation by Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer XPeng. Their highly anticipated innovation, the XPeng X2, is a cutting-edge flying car that promises to revolutionize urban transportation with its sleek design, advanced features, and impressive performance. This remarkable vehicle is poised to soar through the skies and offer a new dimension of personal mobility. In this video, we will take a closer look at how this $156 flying car is finally hitting the market, tracing the company's journey, highlighting its advanced features, and discussing its potential for market disruption. So, buckle up and join us on this extraordinary ride. The company's beginnings. Back in 2013, XPeng, originally known as XPeng Aero HT, embarked on an audacious mission to transform the way he moved through the skies. Starting in Dongguan, Guangdong, this visionary company set its sights on creating electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft for advanced air mobility. What began as a dream soon turned into a groundbreaking reality that promised to reshape the future of transportation. From dream to reality, the early years of XPeng Aero HT were marked by tireless dedication and a relentless pursuit of technical excellence. In 2016, the team achieved a major breakthrough when their flying car prototype took to the skies for the first time. Heralding a new era of possibilities, flight tests continued, and their progress was fueled by passion and commitment, leading to a significant milestone in 2018 when the prototype made its maiden manned flight with over 1,500 successful flights under their belt. XPeng Aero HT solidified its position as a trailblazer in the aviation industry, earning international acclaim and numerous design awards, advancements and achievements. XPeng Aero HT's momentum continued to surge as they pushed boundaries and broke new ground. In April 2020, their two-seater prototype flying car completed its first flight successfully, marking a major milestone in their journey. The resounding success of this flight further fueled their ambition and propelled them towards further innovation. In July of the same year, XPeng Aero HT received joint investment and support from He Xiaopeng, the chairman and CEO of XPeng Motors, and XPeng Motors itself solidified their position and setting the stage for accelerated progress and market disruption, introducing the XPeng X2 flying car. Now, let's delve into the key features that make the XPeng X2 flying car a monumental leap forward in personal mobility. Starting with its sleek design and aerodynamic excellence, the X2's striking gull-wing design captures attention at first glance. However, its futuristic appearance is not just for show. It is the result of careful engineering aimed at optimizing aerodynamics for both ground and air travel. Carbon fiber composite airframe, paired with an aviation aluminum structure, ensures a lightweight yet robust vehicle that effortlessly transitions between different terrains. Seamless transition from road to air. One of the most exciting aspects of the XPeng X2 is its seamless transition from road to air. Equipped with retractable wings and propellers, this flying car can smoothly switch between driving on roads and taking flight in the sky. The transition process is automated and controlled by intelligent systems that ensure safety and efficiency, impressive performance and range. The XPeng X2 boasts remarkable performance capabilities, powered by advanced electric propulsion technology. It can achieve impressive speeds both on the ground and in the air, with a top speed of 180 miles per hour, 290 kilometers per hour in the air, and 0 to 60 miles per hour, 0 to 97 kilometers per hour. Acceleration in just a few seconds on the ground. This flying car offers an exhilarating and dynamic driving experience. In terms of range, the X2 can fly up to 300 miles for 183 kilometers in a single charge, making it suitable for both short commutes and longer journeys. Intelligent flight systems. Safety is a top priority for XPeng, and the X2 is equipped with state-of-the-art intelligent flight systems to ensure a secure and controlled flying experience. It features advanced navigation systems, collision avoidance technology, and automated flight controls that assist the pilot and mitigate risks. Additionally, the vehicle is designed to comply with their traffic control regulations and has the ability to communicate with other aircraft and ground stations for enhanced safety, luxurious interior and connectivity. Step inside the XPeng X2, and you'll find a luxurious and comfortable interior that combines modern design with cutting-edge technology. The cabin is spacious and can accommodate up to 2 passengers, offering a premium travel experience. High-quality materials, ergonomic seating, and advanced infotainment systems create a refined and connected environment for occupants. Integrated connectivity features allow passengers to stay connected, access entertainment options, and even control certain vehicle functions using voice commands. The future of urban transportation. The XPeng X2 flying car represents a significant leap forward in the evolution of urban transportation. With its ability to overcome traffic congestion and drastically reduce travel times, it has the potential to revolutionize the way people commute and travel within cities. As urban areas continue to grow, the X2 offers a sustainable and efficient solution that can alleviate transportation challenges and provide a new level of mobility and freedom. The XPeng X2 flying car is a remarkable achievement in the field of advanced mobility. Through years of innovation, dedication, and technological advancements, XPeng has brought to market a vehicle that seamlessly combines road and air travel, delivering a new dimension of personal transportation. With its sleek design, impressive performance, intelligent flight systems, and luxurious interior, the X2 is set to captivate the imagination of enthusiasts and pave the way for a future where flying cars become an integral part of urban life. As we embrace this exciting era of transformation, the XPeng X2 stands at the forefront, ready to redefine how we move, explore, and connect in the world around us.